Hi guys, today we're doing a vlog about snails. Look, this is its mother, this is its father, and this is its babies. This is its first baby and this is its second baby. Look, he's very long and he's moving. This father, ooh, look. This is sticky liquid. If you see it, don't touch it, okay? And don't kill it because it's very helpful for the environment, and it can help the environment grow plants. Oh, and it eats plants and leaves, all kinds of things. So this guy is moving, and this guy is moving fast. They're very slow. They're very slow and very small. They're like our hand size, but they're still small. Oh look, this mother is coming out. This father fell off a tree. These two, this and this father, fell off a tree, and their babies was on them. A squirrel jumped on the tree. So this father is damaged. This mother is not damaged because she landed on a plant. And thank God he didn't break. There's all kinds of snails, and they're reptiles. These little babies are looking for food, and that little baby is just playing around, and the mother is sleeping. Oh, he's awake, but the father is fast asleep. So guys, and this is their dung. If you see the dung, don't even think about touching it. It's super stinky, and don't kill these guys because they're not harmful. They're just little. Don't kill it. They have their homes in their shells, and the babies have their own homes in their shells too. So guys, remember, if you haven't subscribed, please like and subscribe. So see you on the next video. Bye.